Hey traders, welcome to 𝐒𝐓𝐿 Weekly Forex Forecast. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for Euro Dollar, Pound Dollar, Dollar Yen, along with a lot of Forex pairs. In addition to that, we will cover US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. We will give you some Forex trading tips which will help you with your trading. Now, due to many queries regarding our services, here we have summarized it all for you. So if you are interested, check the link in the description below. Keep watching until the end, we have a bonus tip for you. On this channel, we explain you our point of view regarding the next moves in the market. Those who are new to 𝐒𝐓𝐿's channel, our weekly market forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to help you be on the right side of the trade. So click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the charts. In this video, I will give you one tip after every single pair. So we will end up with 15 tips which are so important and can help you with your trading. Remember, some of you will need only one tip that changes your trading life, and we hope you will find it here. So keep watching till the end to take advantage of all of them. Now, all of you must have received our email regarding the upgraded subscription service. If not, all the details are on our website homepage. Let's start with the XY, and after Pound Dollar forecast, I will explain you more about this upgradation. So, for the XY, if you remember, last week we said you are expecting a small corrective structure, one more push up, and then a bigger corrective structure to start. As you can see, market is moving as expected. We've got a small corrective structure, market went up, and now we are in a bigger corrective wave. So all of you who get in this buy, we hope that you made decent profits in this upwave. And those who are selling, make sure to move your stops and let market unfold. What we are expecting next for the XY? For this one, we are expecting market to correct and then one more push down. So this will be a corrective structure, and then after the completion of this corrective structure, we are expecting market to go back up again. So at the moment, we are in an uptrend. So this means we will look for our buy setups only. And by the way guys, some of us are still in this buy from here, and they are just moving stops and following market structure. If you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. This will support the channel and will push us to give you more and more every single week. Now, remember this. Focusing on few pairs is much better than jump from pair to pair to look for setups. Alright? So pick 2 to 3 pairs and study everything about them. Euro Dollar, for this one, also market gave us a small corrective structure, it went back down and it starts to go up. What next? We are expecting market to give us a corrective structure, one more push up, and then another down wave. This is what we are expecting next for Euro Dollar. If any one of you is still in this sell or this sell, just move your stops to break even or into profits and let market unfold. Alright guys, next for Euro Dollar, corrective structure upwards and then another push down to probably break this low. The bigger picture regarding this one and why we are expecting a corrective structure and one more push down, all of this will be covered by T on Sunday session. Another tip. The trend is your friend. This is correct. But you have to understand market structures, fractal nature of the market, and how market usually behaves in order to take advantage of this and make huge profits in one single wave. Alright guys? Understanding market structures is very crucial to succeed in this business. Pound Dollar, for this one, we hope all of you remember this forecast. And also, this was one of the trades of the weeks that were covered on our last Sunday session. We said market will push down and then it will go back up. This is exactly what market did. And we hope all of you took advantage of this down wave and this up move. This was more than 100 pips move, and we can see it going one more push up before another down wave. So, next for pound dollar, one more push up and then another down wave. If this turns out to be a corrective structure, guys, pound dollar will push up to break this top, this one, and the previous one as well. Alright? Let me repeat this. If this corrective structure turns out to be the corrective structure that we are waiting for, this up move will go up to break this top, this one, and the previous daily one. Anyway, for now, we can see it going one more push up and then another down wave. Those who are scalpers, you can go for this one if you know how to go for it. We are more than happy to miss this up wave because we are focusing on this down move. After this down wave, we will update you. News cause volatility in the market, but the market always follow a certain direction defined by a structure. And this is why, guys, wave analysis works on every single time frame, on every single tradable asset. Why? Because we analyze the mass psychology of all market participants. And as all of you know, everything is plotted on the charts. Now, regarding our upgraded subscription service, you will be getting in-depth analysis of the market on Sunday as live sessions, where we go through the charts in detail, and also we will show you the trades of the week which we think are ready to go. The session will be recorded and the recording will be available for 7 days. A midweek review analysis email will be sent out on every Wednesday at 6 p.m. UK time. If you want to subscribe, all the details are on our website homepage. Aussie dollar for this one, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back down and then it went back up. All major pairs looks like they will correct upwards for another down wave. Now, what is this pattern? This one, guys, it might be the exact same pattern as this one. Let me explain this for you. Here in this one, we've got a corrective structure, one more push down, another up wave, and another down move. So, here we are getting another corrective structure, one more push down, up, correction up, and then another down wave. Can you see the similarity between this corrective structure and this one? If yes, give us a thumbs up and keep watching till the end. We have a lot of tips to cover. So next for Aussie dollar, corrective structure, one more push up, another down wave. One more tip. Every structure, no matter what it is, starts with an impulse. This tip, guys, is very crucial for those who knows wave analysis. Every structure, no matter what it is, this structure, it will start with an impulse. Dollar-yen for this one, we were expecting market to go down. Instead, it gave us a corrective structure. It went back up. So we were wrong in this one. That doesn't mean we took a loss. Market never gave us our sell setup to go for the sell. Instead, it corrects here and it should back up very hard. So, what next? In this one, guys, we are expecting a corrective structure, one more push up, and then a bigger down wave. We are in an uptrend, but we will not trade this up move. Even if you are a trader who follows the trend, you have to know when to go for the trade and when not to trade. One more hint regarding this topic, you should not trade the last wave of the last wave. Alright? Even if you are a trend follower, you should not trade the last wave of the last wave. So, all yen pairs are weak at the moment, and yen index shows us a sign of reversal. What this means, after this up wave, another down wave will follow. So we will be more than happy to miss this up wave and focus on this down move. And do not think that this reversal will be going all the way down to break previous lows. This down wave, it might be only a part of a corrective structure for another up move. At the moment, this is too early for this. What we can see for dollar-yen, we can see correction, one more push up, and then another down wave. So trade according to your plan and always risk small. New Zealand dollar for this one, market went in and it starts to give us a corrective structure. We were expecting market to start to correct, and this is what market is doing at the moment. All of you who took this sell, you can take profits or move your stops. It's up to you. And those who are in the buy, keep moving your stops and let market unfold. For this one, the structure is completed for this down wave. But if we get a small correction, one more push up, we won't be surprised. After this up wave, market will go for another down move. This down wave, guys, it can go all the way down to break this low and this low. And there is a reason why we are expecting market to go down here under these lows. Our traders, you know what I'm referring to here. Remember, guys, after you do your analysis, you only have higher probability chance that you will be right. Alright? And your job is to make money out of the next wave. And last month was great for us. Pound yen for this one, market gave us a small corrective structure. It went back up and we broke this top. What next? We are expecting a small corrective structure, one more push up, and then another down wave. Like I said, all yen pairs shows us another up wave to be a small up move and then a down wave to follow. So we will ignore any buy setup here and we will focus on our sell setups if market will give us our sell setup. Otherwise, let the market unfold and we will be more than happy to miss the wave than jumping in and lose. As per Mark Douglas, guys, do not think in a trade-by-trade basis, so do not focus on one trade thinking that this trade, it should be a winning trade. Alright? Once you enter, don't be attached to that single trade. More details regarding the structure here will be covered on Sunday session. Yes, oil for this one. If you remember, guys, from here we set correction then, and from here also we set correction, another down wave. And from this point, we said market will start a bigger corrective structure upwards. And all of you know what was happening last week regarding worldwide trading. Market was following the structure step by step. And this is the proof, guys, in front of you. Market gave us a corrective structure, it went back down, and it starts to give us a bigger corrective wave again. So, all of you are in the buy, keep moving your stops and let market unfold. What we are expecting next? We are expecting correction, another up wave. After this up move, take partial profits and leave the rest at break even. Why? Because this is a corrective structure. And we are in an uptrend. And this corrective structure, it might be a deeper one and it can go all the way up to break this top and still be a corrective structure. Gold, for this one, I hope all of you guys remember this forecast. And also this was one of the pairs that we mentioned on our last Sunday session. We set corrective structure downwards, another up wave. And all of you can see here, market went down, we never broke this low, and then market starts to go up again. Market has to go up, and the structure was showing us that gold will shoot back up. And this is what's happening. We hope all of you guys took advantage of this down wave and this up wave. What next? We are expecting a correction, another up move. All of you are in the buy, make sure to move your stops to break even and let market unfold. At this point of the time, no matter what the market will do, your worst case scenario, it should be small wins. Not a loss and not a break even. Alright guys? This is the power of wave analysis and market structures. Another tip. Always calculate your risk to reward before you enter into the trade. You should remember this every time you are excited to click the trade when market starts to go in your direction. So don't be trapped in the fear of missing out. If market moved away from your entry, let it go without you. You will not be rich from one single winning trade, but you might lose your account if you enter incorrectly. And this is very important. How we can see all of this, guys, in advance? This is based on experience and understanding of market structure. Those who want to learn from us, you still have only few days to take our March course, because after 15th of April, you cannot take our March course for discounted price. And this was just an opportunity for those who cannot afford our June course price. Dollar CAD for this one, market went up, and we said last week we are expecting a down move. Market is moving as expected. What next? Those who are in the sell, move your stops and let market unfold. What next for Dollar CAD? We are expecting a corrective structure upwards, another down wave. And this correction, guys, it might be complex. This is why those who are in the sell, move your stops and let market unfold. Now, those who are not in, wait market to give you a complete corrective structure before you go for the next buy setup. If market will give us a corrective structure here and we get a buy setup, we will go for this buy. Alright? At the moment, we are expecting correction and another down wave. Always trade what you see, not what you feel. If you are benefiting from our tips, our forecasts, and what we are sharing here, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Euro-Yen for this one, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, and then it went back up. For this one, we were expecting market to go down, instead, it went back up. So we were wrong for Euro-Yen. We are not pretending to be right on every single wave, but all of you can see the high accuracy of our forecasts. No one will be right 100% in this business. And if anyone claiming that, run away. So, for Euro-Yen, we are expecting correction, wanna push up, and then another big corrective structure to start. This is what we can see next for Euro-Yen. So breaking this top or not is not the key. After this up wave, market has to give us a down move. So staying away of Euro-Yen for next week, it might be wise. Okay? Euro-Pound for this one, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, went up, another down wave. We were expecting an up move here, market still within a corrective structure. But eventually, market will push back up. Also guys, this was posted on our TradingView account and we updated you there as well. Anyway, we are looking for our buy setups, and this up wave, it will go up to break this top and potentially this one as well. Alright? After this down wave, we are expecting market to push back up. And if we get a buy setup, we will go for this up wave. Always keep an eye on the bigger picture. If you stick to lower time frames and lower degree trends, you might end up trading the last wave of the last wave of the last wave. And if that happens, guys, and you are trading without stop loss, you will be in big trouble and you might break your account. Pound Oz for this one, also this was one of the trades of the weeks that were covered by T on our last Sunday session. And market went up more than 250 pips in this up wave. Amazing. So we covered Pound Dollar, Gold, and Pound Oz as trades of the week last Sunday. Like I said, all the details about our upgraded subscription service is on our website homepage. Market gave us a corrective structure and then it went back up for more than 250 pips. After this one, market starts to go back down. This is expected. What next for Pound Oz? If we get a corrective structure, another down wave. So those who are not in, wait market to give you a corrective structure and then you can go for the next trade. Wave analysis, guys, and our concept is a combination of Elliott wave, Dow theory, trends, market structures, order blocks, and our findings. So we are combining all of these theories in one single powerful system. So if you are a serious trader, don't miss out this opportunity. Silver for this one, market went up, it went back down, and it starts to go up again. Some of our traders made huge profits, guys, only out of this up wave. So keep up the good work and remember, consistency is the key. And this is how we are motivating them and guiding them always. Your goal should be to make consistent money in Forex trading. It's not one trade, one win. Consistent money every single month. So, coming back to silver, market starts to go up. For this one, we have a higher probability chance that we can get another down wave to break this low one more time. There is one structure that might unfold here and lead to this down wave. Alright? There is one structure, one possibility. What this means, those who are in the buy take partial profits and move the rest to break even, do not close your trade. And those who are not in, wait market to give you a corrective structure before you go for the next buy setup if you are biased to the upside. Those who want to sell this one, we will not do it. Bitcoin from this one, market went in, it gave us this up move, another down wave, and then another up move. What next? We're expecting market to go down. Instead, it gave us corrective structure, it went back up. So another corrective structure, another up wave. After this up wave, from 62 levels, market will go back down. Remember, this is investment. So every time you get a down wave, you go for the buy setups and you buy it cheaper. Alright? Those who are in, after this top, you take partial profits again. Now is the time for the Forex Trading Tip. Always try to be in a risk-free trade as soon as possible and protect your capital. And remember this, 10 break-even trades is better than 2 losses. Alright? With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.